As USB-C becomes the universal standard across modern laptops, tablets, and smartphones, the need for reliable adapters to connect legacy USB-A peripherals remains critical. Enter the BENFEI USB Type-C to USB 3.0 adapter, a compact yet powerful tool that bridges the gap between old and new with efficiency, style, and surprising durability. Designed with versatility in mind and wrapped in a high-end aluminum shell with braided cabling, this adapter is more than just a port converter, it's a future-proof solution for daily connectivity needs. The BENFEI USB Type-C to USB 3.0 adapter is a thoughtfully designed, high-performance accessory that fills a critical gap in the modern tech ecosystem. Whether you're a digital nomad, creative professional, office worker, or everyday user, this adapter delivers the reliability, speed, and broad compatibility you need, wrapped in a sleek, durable, travel-ready form.